This is example 2 of solving polynomial inequality by graphing. So I got the example number 22, page 290, and this is the given. So step 1, okay, we have to make right side equal to 0. It's already 0. So step 2 will be to graph the function x plus 4, x minus 2, x minus 10. Okay, so let's graph that. Y equals x plus 4. Again, step 1 is make the right side 0, but since this is already 0, we can go ahead and graph it. So your x-intercepts are x equals -4 multiplicity of 1, -2 multiplicity of 1, no, +2 multiplicity of 1, and +10 multiplicity of 1. Okay, y-intercept will be make x 0. So y will be 0 plus 4 times 0 minus 2 times 0 minus 10. Okay, so that will give you 4 times -2, -8 times -10 is 80. Next, and behavior. Let's get our leading term. This is given in factored form, so we have to get our leading term. X plus 4 to the 1 times x minus 2 to the 1, x minus 10 to the 1. So all we have to do is multiply this to this power. Okay, raise it to that power. So that's x to the 1. This is also x to the 1. And that is x to the 1 too. So our leading term will be x to the 3. So all you do is you multiply this first term, or raise that first term to that power, first term to that power, first term to that power, when it is in factored form. So since this is positive, odd, so our end behavior will be down, up. Okay, now we can graph, and then since this one will have a constant, it cannot be even. I think this is, so this is neither, right? So there is no symmetry, odd, even, or neither. Is the function odd, even, or neither? Okay. So since this is the leading coefficient, it cannot be even. Okay, since it could be odd, but okay, there is a constant here, 80. So this is not odd, so this is neither. So neither, there is no symmetry. So we can now graph it. So our y-intercepts are -4, 2, and 10. So let's say that's -4, -4. Let's say this is 2, and this is 10. This is just graphing. So if you know graphing, then I told you at the start, maybe you could have paused it and solved it yourself. Multiplicity is 1, so it will go through. Then this will be 80. So down, up. Okay, down, up. So this will just be down here, coming from down. Just make it as smooth as you can. It has to have curves, no sharp angles. Okay, something like that. So that is your graph. Just try to put your highest point in the middle of this interval. Okay, so that is our graph. Now let's answer the question. So this is greater than 0. Okay. So when it's greater than 0, your y should be positive. So we will look for the portion of the graph that our y is positive. Okay, which part of the graph will give you a positive y, or the portion of the graph above the x-axis. So this one, all the x here, x values will have a positive y. Okay, and also here. Okay, so those are the values of x that we are looking for. So that would be the interval between -4. As like I said, it's open because -4 is not included. Because when x is -4, substitute it there, y will be 0, and 0 is not greater than 0. If there is an equal, then you will use a bracket there. So -4 to 2, parenthesis, union with parenthesis 10 to positive infinity. Again, if had this been a greater than or equal, then this will be brackets. You can also check it, okay? Just get, if you have time, get any number here and substitute here. Get any number, let's say 0, okay? So y is 80, we know that, so it's positive. If you have time, just check your answers. Email me for questions. Bye.